there is not such one type of intelligence. In fact, there are 5 types of intelligence that can be summarized into 2: cognitive intelligence and emotional intelligence. So my feeling is that all the efforts that we have done with the smart cities have been only oriented towards cognitive intelligence, efficiency, operation, a better use of technology, more safety and efficient transportation. But what about emotional intelligence? At what extent can we consider ourselves intelligent society if we don't cover both sides of that dimension? So, towards a more intelligent society, we should be measuring different things. We should move from measuring KPIs, key performance indicators, and we should start measuring SVIs, social value indicators. Because what a better sign of an intelligent society will be an indicator that tells us at what extent a society is using big data for good. That would be a great indicator. Or big data for inclusiveness. That would be a good indicator of what an intelligent society is. So I try to imagine how we could measure an intelligent society. And the conclusion is that we only can measure an intelligent society through context. Because context defines behavior. And if I imagine how would a dashboard of this intelligent society would look like. And we called it the dashboard of the city's heartbeat, as an opposition of the city pulse that was really what usually smart cities are measured against. So we've dropped this Singapore heartbeat dashboard. And we are measuring 3 different axes. First one, urbanism. We said context defines behavior. So what is our context? And our context is where we live, the buildings we are surrounded with. And we can measure things like environment. We know that. We already are measuring environment, but not only air quality. For example, green areas. At what extent the number of square meters of green areas is determined or correlated with the economic growth of a city? Imagine we find an interesting correlation. All the governments in the world will be, planting trees like mad. And that would be great for climate change. So probably we should start thinking about those indicators and see if we find correlations. A very important aspect we think we should measure about our context is the structure and design. At what extent the beauty or the ugliness of our buildings make us different?